In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Afterpay to Stripe. We'll walk through this step by step so you can start offering Afterpay as a payment option to your customers with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you're already logged into your Stripe account in your browser and that you have the right permissions to manage payment settings. If you're part of a team, you may need admin or similar access to make these changes. Start by going to your main Stripe home dashboard. This is the central page you see right after logging in, where you can view your balance, recent payments, and overall account activity. It's helpful to begin here because all of Stripe's configuration options are accessible from this dashboard. Next, look in the top right corner of the screen for a small gear icon. This icon opens your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear. The settings area is where you manage everything from your business details to payment methods, so it's the right place to be for enabling Afterpay. Once you're on the settings page, find and click on the section labeled Payments. This section controls how you accept money from customers, which payment methods are available, and how those payments are processed. Opening this section will give you access to all the payment-related configuration options for your account. Inside the payment settings, look for a tab called Payment Methods. Click on that tab. This is where Stripe lists all the payment options that you can enable or manage, such as cards, digital wallets, and buy now, pay later options. It may take a moment to load, especially if you have many methods available, so just wait until you see the full list. In the payment methods list, scroll until you find Afterpay. Depending on your region, it might also be labeled as Afterpay, ClearPay. Click on Afterpay to open its details. Here, Stripe may show you information about how Afterpay works, what fees apply, and any eligibility notes that are relevant to your account or location. Finally, you'll see an option to enable Afterpay. Click on the Enable button. Stripe may ask for confirmation or briefly show a loading indicator while it activates the payment method. Once it's enabled, Afterpay will appear as an available payment option in your Stripe-supported checkout flows that are configured to use your default payment methods. That's all you need to do to add Afterpay to Stripe. Remember to test your checkout in a safe environment to make sure Afterpay appears and works as expected for your customers.